So I'm gonna be doing a little sharpening video for you. I'm gonna be showing you my ceramic rods, and I'm gonna do it freehand. And the foam I'm gonna be sharpening is this little MTech. The model is MT472CA, 440 stainless steel. It's I've had this knife for a couple years. I got it Christmas of 2010 from my friend. It's actually a decent little knife. It looks pretty nice. Yeah. So I'll just give you a little review. It's handcrafted in China, designed in the US, 440 steel. Yeah, it's actually not a bad little knife. I think it was probably, a $10 to $20 knife. But I mean, look at lockup is solid. There's no play in the lockup. Vertical and horizontal. Holds an edge pretty good, and it sharpened up really nice. This little drop point blade. There's lots of jimping right here. No jimping right here. Frame lock, and it actually has a pretty thick frame lock considering how thin the actual blade is. And give you a little size comparison. I don't know the actual specs for it. You can see it's smaller on my ZT. Ooh, 350. It's completely dull. As you can see. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, completely dull. Here, I'll get a little piece of paper. Yeah, so it's completely dull. Nothing. Put this piece of paper right here. Keep an eye on that. It's not going anywhere. So my dad had these rods from a friend or whatever. Came into work. Gave them to him. This is your rough ceramic rod. Medium grit, fine grit. I'm not even sure what the grits are. Somebody just gave them to him, which is really nice customer. He made them here in Greenville. I'm not sure what the company is. I'd love to know so I can buy some more. But I'm not even sure if the company's still in business because he got them like 20 years ago or something crazy. Anyways, so I'm going to be sharpening this knife. I'll probably cut out parts of this video so you don't have to watch me sharpen the whole thing, but I'll just give you a few strokes on here. It's hard because I'm trying to look at the camera too. It's just starting to come back a little. It's gonna take a little bit because I had this knife sharpened up, and I seriously took the blade like this and went across the rod a little bit to dull it because I needed a knife. I didn't want to do that to my zero tolerance, obviously. See how that did. Ooh, right there is nice and sharp. It's getting there, guys. Okay, medium grit. Ooh, that's getting back, guys. Slowly but surely. I'll go to fine grit now. It's not quite as sharp as I had it before, but it's still pretty sharp. Pretty sure it'll pop hairs. We'll see in a sec. Obviously, I could take more time, but I don't want to bore you guys, although I already did. And hopefully the camera's picking up my voice instead of this annoying sound, but I'm sure it's probably not. Alrighty, guys, I think that just about does it. Let's see, here I'm gonna switch the light a little bit. As you can see, there's nothing on the blade. It's a clean blade. And I'm gonna see if I can get some hair. As you can see, I've been shaving my arm with my knife. And there you go, guys. Sorry, this camera doesn't have great quality. I don't know if you can see it, but there's hair on there and dead skin cells. But I don't know if you can pick it. The camera's not gonna pick it up, but there's all the hair. See? So it's pretty sharp right now. And the paper, that's where I've been at before. So it's not quite as sharp as I'd like it to be, but keep working on a little. But still, I mean, for the amount of time it took me to do that, and I wasn't holding it straight, I was looking at the camera and stuff, but it's pretty sharp compared to how sharp it was, that is. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to see this, I know you've all been waiting for this. Ta-da! Ugh, can't get it to hold. Yeah. Sorry, there's nowhere to hold on this, guys. Whatever. Anyways, I probably should resharpen this. I haven't sharpened it since I got it. So there's little MTech, guys. MTech USA. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it wasn't boring and not too long. So yeah, if you don't have any, go pick you up some ceramic rods. I definitely would recommend them. Pick up little MTech if you have time. Hold it, feel it. I'm selling some paracord stuff on my other channel, JNBR Doors. So send me an email or a personal message if you're interested in that. So they look like they're $10. And thank you very much, guys. Buy Kershaw if you feel so inclined. And if you're looking for a knife, Kershaw makes amazing knives. And thanks for watching.